Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we are going to be discussing about AutoGPT versus LangChain, which AI tool is better. So you can see that we got a head-to-head comparison here. We're going to be talking about different features like, for example, purpose, use cases, customization, user control, complexity, and integration. Now if we talk about LangChain, you're going to be able to if we talk about purpose, LangChain is used for building applications with large language models. If you talk about use cases, you can see we got chatbots, custom workflows for LangChain, and personal assistant research for AutoGPT. So if you're looking for something to create personal assistants and research, you can use AutoGPT. Now we are going to be jumping next to customization. You can see we have high customizable. For LangChain, we got more straightforward and less customizable with AutoGPT. So high customizability is available on LangChain and not on AutoGPT. Now user control, a lot of control on LangChain, of course. And if we talk about AutoGPT, it is more autonomous and less interventional. Complexity, of course, LangChain is going to be more complex than AutoGPT. And finally, integration, we get great APIs and primarily self-contained on AutoGPT. So if you're looking for something beginner friendly, you can go with AutoGPT. If you're looking for something highly customizable and want to work with large language models, then you can opt for LangChain. So the choice is yours. I got you with the specs. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel. See you guys around in the next video.